what's up?
Welcome back to
Angelic.
My name is Rudba.
My name is Rumaisa.
Today we're playing Roblox Adopt Me.
Yeah.
So this is our first video of playing Adopt Me. So yeah, today we are doing a house tour. So Rumaisa is
I am showing my house first.
and then next I will show my house tour. So let's get on to the video.
So at the left side you can see a fish tank and then a bookshelf you can see, and there's two sofas you can see, of course.
Yeah, you can sit here like this.
And there is a sofa also and a table, so it's kind of modern. So I mean it's totally modern. So here's a TV, you can see it can turn on and off.
Yeah.
So let's get in the other room. So look, it's well decorated.
Yeah, it's a
So-
bedroom.
Yeah, it's totally a bedroom, but there's also a piano. You can
Play.
play the piano.
Yeah, like this.
So here is some
Food.
food for pets, and there is the bathtub
Yeah.
for pets, two bathtubs, and there is two
Sleeping
sleeping beds for pets. So here is the kitchen.
Yeah.
You can see there is the kitchen and all stuff that you need. So I am developing my kitchen.
Yeah, Rumaisa is keep doing her decoration.
Because it's not good, I know. So
Yeah.
here is a dining. I mean, it's a table, not a dining table.
So like you can sit and eat something like this. Yeah, like this conversation, something like that.
So
Okay.
here, let's go to the upstairs.
Let's go.
So you can see some wall decoration, and there is a sofa and a table also. You can see there is a sofa. You can sit, and there is a table. You can sit, and there is a flower vase. So
Yeah.
in here it's a room. So it's a bed. You can sleep. Look,
Yeah.
and there's also another fish tank. And
Oh my
it's-
God,
and
guys, it's sand. Wait, sorry. Yeah. Now it's
Sometimes
okay.
for the connection problem.
Yeah. There's a fish tank and a
So,
sofa
And there is a table
with
with
laptop
a laptop.
that you can work on. Of
And
course,
there-
your online class.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can turn on the laptop and turn off.
I love to jump in Adopt Me.
Yeah, like this.
So the wallpaper is very good.
Yeah, Rumesa likes the wallpaper a lot.
Yeah, not that much, but still I love it. And here is a
Bathroom.
and there is a bathtub, and there is a toilet. Oops, I hang. Yeah, there's a toilet, and there's a sink, two sinks.
Yeah.
You can
To wash your face, like this.
But we don't have the option to wash our face.
Yeah, whatever. So yeah,
So
I think that's the end.
yeah,
That's the end.
of my house tour.
Yeah, and guys, that you notice that my dress and Rumaisa's dress is same because we are twins in Adopt Me. So yeah, Rumaisa's
So we are
account-
going to show our pets. I mean our backpacks also.
Yeah.
So I have locked
So yeah.
house.
So in the next video we will show you our backpacks. What the heck? Now I am showing my house. So
Yeah.
let's get to my house.
Yeah.
So guys, on the left side there is a fish tank and there is a bookshelf same as Rumaisa, and there is
Yeah.
two sofa.
You can
And-
sit also.
Yeah, you can sit like this. Yeah, and there is also a sofa here and a table and a TV, and there is a flower flower pot. Yeah, flower vase. And let's go to another room. So my room is very different than Rumaisa's.
I love her this room.
Yes, Rumaisa love this room. And there is a
Neon
bath.
sign.
Yeah, there's
Wow.
a neon sign, bath time, and this is some food and some bath.
We will make an apartment.
Yeah, on the next video we I don't like this house very much,
Because
so
it's too small.
yeah, so we
for
will
pets,
make,
for
so in the next
activities.
video, yeah, in the next video we will show you another house tour that we buy
So
an
we
apartment.
will decorate that with you guys.
Yeah, we will decorate the apartment with you, and there is some sleeping, you can sleep your pets, and there is a computer that you can relax. Yeah, and then
let's just turn off that.
okay, and this is the
Turn on.
table, something you can like sit and conversation with others, and there is some oven like this
There's
type of thing. And I have two fridges. Look guys, I have two fridges.
Oh, it's amazing.
And you can
Wow.
like drink water like this. And yeah, so let's go to upstairs.
Drinking water.
Yeah, Rumes is drinking water. And here you can relax, and this is a theater room. You can watch Netflix. Yeah, this is the neon sign. You can watch, this is the movie room. So you can watch Netflix and something like that. And yeah, this is the bathroom. There is a bathtub, and there's a something like this. I really don't know what it's called. And there is two toilet and something this.
I don't know why there's two toilets.
Yeah,
And there's a bathtub also, you can see.
yeah. And let's go to my bedroom. So this is my bedroom, and this is the fish tank because I love fish.
I don't like that much.
Rumors don't like fish that much, but I like it.
birds.
Yeah, Rumors like birds, and even I also like birds, but not that much.
I have a bird.
Yeah, and yeah, this is the sofa, and this is the laptop. You obviously do online classes, cause yeah, and I love my room a lot. So yeah, and if you want to friend with us, my ID is Rudva2244 and Rumaisa's is Rumaisa2244, and it's very similar to my ID. So yeah, Rumaisa's and my ID is very
Similar.
same. Yeah, very similar, very much similar. And even we have a
We are
red
making
panda, neon cat.
Yeah. For two of us.
And this is a red panda.
We have two red pandas. I mean,
Yeah.
I have one and she have one.
Yeah, I have one and Rumaisa have one. So yeah, that's the end of the video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy our show. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss our any video. And don't forget to subscribe.
and
Okay, guys.
comment and share. So
Okay,
guys,
guys.
bye.